We are doing slowly, so do normal breathing. Your arms straight. Push the palm down, back leg straight, look front, lift the chest up. Now both the legs back, straight body, plank pose. Inhale, exhale. Then down your knees, chest and chin. Breathe normally. Don't drop your shoulders. Inhaling, bend back. Cobra pose. Exhaling, down dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhaling, bring your right leg up and then forward. Exhaling, both the legs forward. Inhaling, all the way come up. Place your hands behind on your buttocks and bend back. Exhaling, bend forward. Inhaling, left leg back. Exhaling, both the legs back, plank forward. Down your knees, chest and chin. Inhaling, bend back. Widen your shoulders. Exhaling, down dog. Taking 2 deep breaths here. Inhaling, left leg forward. Exhaling, both the legs forward. Inhaling, all the way come up. Place your hands behind on your buttocks and bend back. Exhaling, come back and arms by the side. Some people does this leg bending this way. So if you want to give someone back pain, teach this way. Otherwise, what should be, hands should be here and then you should bend back. What make difference? Actually, when you're putting hands here, you're giving support. A person who have never done exercise in yoga and bend back that much, from where is bending? From the wrist, from the backbone, and can definitely enjoy in one class. So even though in traditional sun salutation we arch back, but better is first elongate only, then little bit and little bit. When your back is fully flexible, then you try it. Okay? So make sure back bending and standing should be done only when you are flexible.